Hello ladies and gents, welcome back to Damien Does It. Today we're going to be testing sprayway glass cleaner on our 2024 Maverick. Should be said we're doing this in the shade. Now in our particular vehicle, we're going to pull the arm wiper towards us, and then we can put them up. To help out, we'll be using my mobile cart and footstool. Yes, I have my microfiber, but for scrubbing and cleaning purposes, we're using terry cloth. Be sure to shake it up. Now they're sprayed directly on the windshield. Let it foam and eat up. We're doing half the windshield at the time. What you're seeing here is about 50 miles worth of bugs. So that's 2 trips in the town. And I like to keep the windshield clean. Flip it over.